Once upon a time, this was a very beautiful river. It is one of the branch of Brahmaputra river. But present, this river is drying up. That's why we need to excavate our rivers. We need to dig our river properly. We have to save our river, and thus we can save our agriculture also. We can save our economy also. We should use our resources properly to use our rivers and agriculture. We know river is important for our agriculture. Bangladesh is an agricultural country. That's why we can save our agriculture. If we want to save our agriculture, we can save our river. Government should take proper initiative to save our river. River is not only useful for us but also useful for any country to develop their nation. Once upon a time, we got various fishes from the river, but at present we do not get enough fish to eat. That's why we have to dig our river properly. Should come forward with our government to save this. Thank you.